Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Personal Finance, where your money meets the future. Here's a question for you. What if artificial intelligence could grow your money automatically? No guessing, no stressing, no staring at stock charts all night. In today's video, I'll show you how beginners are using AI to invest smarter, build long-term wealth, and make passive income without needing to be a financial expert. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We break down money, tech, and opportunity every single week. Let's dive in. What is AI investing? AI investing simply means using artificial intelligence to make better financial decisions. It's not about robots picking random stocks. It's about using powerful algorithms that can analyze thousands of stocks in seconds, spot patterns humans can't, rebalance your portfolio automatically, even predict market shifts based on data. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. Hedge funds are already using AI to manage billions. AI-powered ETFs are growing faster than traditional funds, and regular people, just like you, are using apps that invest for them. So the real question is, how can you get started? 1. Use a robo-advisor, beginner-friendly. Apps like Betterment, SoFi Invest, or Wealthfront use AI to manage your entire portfolio. You answer a few questions. They build your investment plan. The AI rebalances and adjusts it automatically over time. It's like having your own personal financial advisor, but way cheaper and always working. Some let you start with as little as $10. 2. Invest in AI ETFs. Own the future. Want to own companies building AI? Look into AI-focused ETFs like BOTZ, invest in robotics and automation. AIQ, focused on next-gen AI tech. QQQ, not strictly AI, but packed with tech giants using it. You can buy these through apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Public. Just search the ticker symbol and click buy. ETFs give you instant diversification. No need to pick individual stocks. 3. Try AI stock picking apps. Just for fun. Apps like Magnify or Q.A. I use AI to suggest stocks and strategies based on your goals. It's not financial advice, but it's a fun, educational way to learn what the AI sees. Use this as a supplement, not a primary investment strategy, but it's a great way to explore. Now, before you go all in, here's what to remember. AI is powerful, but not magic. No system can predict the market perfectly. The real value is in removing emotions, automating smart decisions, and helping you stay consistent. Start small. $50 or $100 is enough. Be patient. Investing is a long game. And always do your own research. Let the AI work with you, not instead of you. If you're serious about building wealth and you want technology to give you an edge, AI investing is one of the smartest moves you can make in 2025. Remember, it's not about getting rich overnight. It's about using smart tools to grow, protect, and automate your money over time. If this helped you, drop a comment below and hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And if you're ready to explore more AI-powered money moves, subscribe now because we've got more coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.